Hello students, now we are going to start exercise 4C, addition of rational numbers. There are two methods of addition if the denominators are not same if the denominators are same. So when the denominators are same, like 5 upon 9 and minus 13 upon 9, here denominators are same like 9. So to add those number, we can write 5 in the place of, and we will write plus minus 13, and in denominator we can directly write 9. So 5 is 5. When this plus will multiply with minus 13, so this will be plus and minus minus. So 5 minus 13 upon 9. Now we already know if one term is negative and one is positive, there will be subtraction. So 5 will subtract from 13. So this will become minus 8 upon 9. Next is 7 upon minus 11 and 3 upon 11. Now we already seeing here that the denominator is negative. This can't be, so we will change it into positive. To change into positive, we will multiply 7 upon minus 11 with minus 1. So 7 minus 1, 11 into minus 1. So 7 1 is 7 minus 7, 11 1 is 11, minus and minus plus. So this has become 7 minus 7 upon 11. Now add them. So 7 upon minus 11, now minus 7 upon 11 and 3 upon 11. Again denominators are same, so we can write minus 7 plus 3 is upon 11 is equal to minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. 11 is 11. So addition is minus 4 upon 11. Next is when denominators are unequal, if the denominators are not same. First is minus 2 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So we will take the LCM of 3 and 4. The denominators are 3 and 4. So LCM is 12. After taking LCM, we will follow the same method. Minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4, LCM is 12. So we will divide this 12 with this 3. So we can get 3 4s are 12. 3 4s are 12. So this 4 will multiply with this 2. Now plus is plus. Now again divide 4 3s are 12. This 3 will multiply with this 3. So this will become minus 8, and this is 9 plus 9. So minus 8 plus 9 is equal to 1 upon 12. Next is simplification. Minus 3 plus 1 upon 8 plus minus 2 upon 5. Firstly, we have to take LCM of 1, 8 and 5. So LCM is 40. Now solve by the same process. Like there is 40. Now what is there? There is no denominator, that means 1. So we will divide 40 with 1. So we will get 40. 1 40 is 40. So this 40 will multiply with this numerator, 3 into 40. Now plus 8 5 is 40. So 5 will multiply with this 1 plus 5 8 is 40. So with this 2 will multiply 8. 5 8 is 40. So minus 2 into 8. Now multiply, this will become minus 120 plus 5 plus and minus minus 16. 120 plus 5 plus and minus again minus 16. So this is 40 is 40. Now we will add 120 and 16. After then we will subtract 5 from that number. So this will become minus 131 upon 40. Next is minus 8 upon 15 plus 2 upon minus 3. So firstly, this is minus 8 upon 15, and we are already seeing it in the denominator is negative. This should not be. So firstly we will change this negative into positive. So we have to multiply with minus 1. So 2 upon minus 3 will multiply with minus 1 and minus 1. So this will become plus minus 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 and minus plus. This will become minus 2 upon 3. 2 upon minus 3 will become minus 2 upon 3. Now take LCM. LCM of 15 and 3 is 15. Now follow the same process. 15 is here. 15 1 ja 15. So 1 will multiply with 8 plus is plus 3 5 ja 15. So this 5 that we are getting will multiply with this 2. So 2 5 ja 10. So that means 8 1 ja 8, 5 2 ja 10, minus plus and minus minus. So minus 8 and minus 10 will add up. This will become 18 upon 15. After dividing with 3, this will become minus 6 upon 5. Next is expression of rational number as sum of an integer and a rational number. That means we have to change a rational number. There should be an integer and also a rational number. Okay. So first is 19 upon 6. After dividing 19 with 6 by 6, we will get 3 whole 1 by 6 into mixed fraction. Okay. So after dividing, we will change it into mixed fraction. So this is 3 whole 1 by 6. Now we can write 3 plus 1 upon 6. We can say that we are expressing a rational number as an integer and a rational number. Next is 20 minus 22 upon 5. So firstly we have to change it into mixed fraction. So after dividing 22 with 5, it will become 4 whole 2 by 5. So this minus will here. Okay, this means this minus is with 4 and with minus 2 upon 5. So this is 4 minus 4 plus minus 2 upon 5, because this minus is with both term 2 upon 5 and with 4. So we can write 4 plus 2 upon 5, and this minus will also multiply with both terms. So this will be minus 4 plus minus 2 upon 5.